Have you noticed how someone can earn a decent salary for decades, yet feel financially stuck? Not broke, not irresponsible, just permanently treading water. It is rarely a lack of hard work. Imagine a professional earning $65,000. After taxes, only about $3,800 actually hits the account. Rent or a mortgage claims $1,400 immediately. Utilities and internet take another $200. A car payment takes $450. Insurance, fuel, and maintenance add another $250. Groceries, phone, subscriptions, and occasional coffee add another $600. The money vanishes quickly. Student loans take $300. Suddenly, that good salary leaves only $500 for everything else. The issue isn't income. It is that every dollar is assigned a lifestyle job immediately. The system subtly teaches people to optimize for monthly comfort instead of long-term asset ownership. A car payment fits the monthly budget, but over 5 years, that is $27,000. Add interest and depreciation, and the real cost is $35,000. It buys temporary social normalcy. Wealth fails to grow because money is trained to flow outward rather than accumulate inward. Most middle-class earners measure success socially. They compare lives to colleagues, friends, and social media. Driving a better car feels like progress. Upgrading life feels productive, even if net worth stays flat. The brain rewards visible upgrades more than invisible stability. We choose what feels rewarding right now. Redirecting just $400 a month could grow into hundreds of thousands over 30 years. Instead, you earn more, but lifestyle expands with it. Your financial freedom never actually moves forward. Don't ask if you can afford it monthly. Ask what that money is no longer becoming. Wealth forms in the gap between income and lifestyle. It requires structural restraint and clarity. Once you notice where money goes, the game changes. Consider clicking subscribe for more clarity.